Welcome to Saraswati Sisukunj Vagwala Borsad Standard 3rd Subject Maths, Chapter number 5, Shapes and Designs. Okay, now and in earlier videos we learn about the different types of shapes. Okay, then we also learn about the plane figures, solid figures. In plane figures we talk about the sides and corners. Then in solid figures we talk about the faces, edges and corners of the solid figures. Okay, now in this video we have to learn about a new topic is tangram, and this word is also new for you. Okay, so first of all let's understood that is tangram. Okay, now let's understood the what is tangram. Okay, so now I will explain you tangram. Tangram is one kind of puzzle. Okay, again I will speak, tangram is one kind of puzzle. Okay, now as you can see in the figure, okay, there will be one square is given, right? One square is given, and from the square we have to cut the different shapes. Cut the different shape means here we have to, you can see here a square, then triangle. This type of shape we have to cut from the square paper, and using of this shape we have to make different designs. Okay, so what understood about the tangram? Let's see the definition of the tangram. Okay, now it is a one kind of puzzle, a square cut into 5 shapes. As we already discussed about the, you can see the picture of square, and this square we have to cut into 5 shapes. Okay, now from these shapes you can create different designs using of these shapes. What kind of design we made from the tangram? So birds, animals and mountains. Understood about that? Now let's start an activity on tangram. Okay, now for this activity we have colorful pages. Now which one you have to select? Okay, pink one. Okay, so now with the pink square we can do our activities. Now let's start the activity using this page. Okay, now first step is, first of all you have to fold this paper from the middle. Okay, from the middle you have to fold the paper. Okay, one thing you have to take care about that, you have to, you can see that this both corner you have to join it. Okay, then again you have to fold this paper, again you have to fold this paper. Okay, now understood about that? Now open the paper. Okay, now you can see the 4 parts of square. Now again you have to fold the paper in slanting way. Okay, now here you can see that we have to fold the page this way. Understood about this? Okay, now you can see here different lines on the paper. Okay, now if you notice that here you can see a big triangle, right? Big triangle you can see here, you can see a small triangle. Then if you notice that here there will be one square. Okay, then if here we have to fold this page from the, okay, now here if you notice that you can see the triangle, small triangle, right? And here if you notice that this shape is new for you, and this shape name is called parallelogram. Now according to the shapes we have to draw a line. Now okay, one number shape you can notice that here triangle is given. Okay, now second number is a small triangle. Okay, now third number shape if you notice that there will be one square. Okay, now fourth number is parallelogram, then fifth number is again triangle. So here if you notice that here how many square in this piece? One square, 3 triangle and 1 parallelogram. And if you notice that there all 3 triangles are equal in size? No, they are not equal in size. Understood about that? Now let's cut these shapes. Using of these pages we can make mountain. Okay, now let's see magic. Now here you can see that number 1, number 5, number 2 shape we use and we make a mountain. Okay, now let's make another bird shape. See magic. Okay, now here you can see that using of 1, 3, 2 and 4 number pieces we can make here bird shape. Let's make animal shape. Now see magic. Now you can see the animal shape. Okay, now which animal is there? Snake. Okay, using of this basis we make different shapes. Okay, now let's start exercise. Okay, now you already learned about the activity and you understood about the activity, right? Now let's start. See the first number question. How many triangles do you find in set? Okay, so here if you can see that here one triangle, second triangle and third triangle. So our answer is there are 3 triangles in the set. Okay, now write it. There are 3 Now let's see the answer. There are 3 triangles in the set. Understood? Now second number, which 2 pieces of 10 gram set are exactly same? Here if you notice that number 2 and number 5, okay, are equal in size. Okay, so how can we write the answer? Number 2 and 5 exactly same pieces. See the answer, number 2 and 5 are exactly same pieces. Understood? Now let's see third number question. How many squares do you find in the set? Okay, so here if you notice that this one is square. Okay, so how many squares are in the set? 1. Okay, so 1 square we find in the set. Now let's see answer. 1 square we find in the set. Okay, now let's see 4 number question. Does all the triangles are equal in the size? Now let's see. You can see here 3 triangles are, they are all are equal. No, this triangle are bigger and these 2 are smaller. Okay, so what is our answer? No, all the triangles are not equal in the size. Okay, no triangles are not equal in size. Understood about this exercise? Okay, I hope you can do this activity at your home. Okay, thank you.